So I just met with a moving company today, and we were going over a marketing strategy that can help them not only this summer, of course, but long term. And he was really focused on email marketing. So their customer base obviously are people who move, and unfortunately for some, people move more often, especially in the Dallas Metroplex, than they would like to. And so we wanted to develop a strategy that would help them gain more repeat customers instead of someone looking for a different company. I bring all of this up because email marketing is so important, but a lot of business owners just don't have the time to do it effectively. So that's why he was reaching out to me to say, hey, how can you help? But it really got me thinking, and I was asking them about some of their client retention strategies. And one thing that they do is they will put in had their customer put in their phone number to their phone. I thought that was really cool. And just a subtle step. So that way they actually have the contact in their phone. But he said they weren't doing much with that. And they've been in business for a very long time and have an extensive customer list. And so it got me excited because I knew, based on past experience with other clients, that we can really do a great job with their email marketing. So I really want you to think about, if you're not doing any email marketing right now, think about the size of your customer email list. Do you have 1,000 customers? Do you have 10,000? Do you have no list at all because you're doing everything on paper and you need to implement a process to start collecting emails? Because I'm telling you, you're leaving money and customers on the table if you're not sending out emails on a monthly basis to get not only repeat customers for people you've already done business with, but you can also get referrals from, I may get an email and I may not be ready to move, but I could forward that to Tom and Susie down the street who I know may be moving and say, hey, this is a great moving company. I used them before. I know, like, and trust them. Here's their information. So I know I talk mostly on my videos about video and about Facebook, but the number one lead generator for my clients by far is email marketing. So if you need help with your email marketing, I would love to be able to sit down with you and talk about developing a strategy for your specific business. Until then, when you market with Mario, you profit with Mario. Thank you.